This is Motorhead Garage presented by DragonfireTools.com. Look, whether you have a classic car like this Camaro or just a daily driver, you want it to look good, you want it to stay good looking for a long time, Myron, the best way to do that is to keep it clean and to detail it. And you've been detailing for a long time. There's a lot of detailing products out there. What's the common thread between a lot of those products that we see?
Yeah, I've been detailing for 21 years, and the common thread with products is they're the same thing. They just have a different name on them, and it's the same product that you're getting.
And of course, the question that a lot of folks are going to ask is it safe for my vehicle? And that's a big concern when you're coming out with a new line of products.
Absolutely. We have tested these products, and the biggest focus that we have on these products is that they will be one of the safest to use on your vehicle as well as the end user. Professional detailers are exposed to these chemicals all day long, and we wanted to focus on something that was safe for them to use to expose them to the least amount of these harmful chemicals as possible.
And you still want it to be effective. I mean, that's still important, obviously. So you went to a chemist, and you formulated a line of products here. So it's Detail Studio products, and it starts with the wash. This is the Super Foam?
Yes.
Yeah, so tell me about the Super Foam and how it works.
Yes, Super Foam is a concentrated wash with a bubblegum scent, just a cleaner that's concentrate that'll take care of your cleaning the vehicle.
And how much of that do I need to wash a car?
3 ounces. You can use this in a foam cannon, or you can use it in a bucket. Foam cannon, you use about 2-3 ounces in there to fill up your 32-ounce foam cannon, and then a bucket, you're going to use about 3 ounces in there, fill up your 5-gallon bucket.
Easy peasy.
Yep.
And next, TCR?
TCR is our rinseless wash. Can be diluted 1 to 512. So 1 capful of that is all you need for a gallon of water in a bucket. So standard cleaning, you use about 2 gallons of water, so 2 capfuls of that. And it's going to not only clean, and it will also add some protection too.
You've got a whole line of products for folks using ceramics that they might want to use to prep when they get ready to apply that ceramic. You have a couple different options at Detail Studio. You've got the spray on, and then you've got something that's a little more in depth, and it's going to last longer.
Yes, yeah. So we have the Glossinosity. This is a 1 year. This is actually a ceramic spray, and we have a solvent-based ceramic coating, which is this, you get about 2 to 3 years. The preparation, you use the same for the preparation for these products on here. The application is a little bit different between these two, but we have the information on our website on the application of those.
All these products do really well. Folks really like them, and the pro detailers like them a lot. And then you have a line down here of your most popular products.
Yes, yep. Yep, these are our most popular products that we have. We have right here the Boost Plus. So if you're wanting to protect your vehicle after you clean it, and you just want to have something on there to give a nice slick surface, you're looking to have a nice shine, protect up to about 6 months, that's where you want to go with the Boost Plus. Next would be, you get dirty wheels and tires, super common, but you want to get them cleaned up. You want to use, if you got chrome wheels, you got unpolished, aluminum, all that, you can use Magnum on those, dilute it down 3 to 1, cleans the grime very easily.
And use it in a stronger concentration if you need it.
Yes, you can use it straight if you would like as well. Yes, yes. Super common this time of year. We got bugs splattering all over in the front of the vehicle, all over on the windshield, all that. You don't want those to sit on there because that's going to stain your paint.
We're looking at you, Florida. It's love bug season, you know it.
So you're diluting this down 3 to 1, and you can spray this, wet your vehicle down, spray it on there, and it'll help remove the bugs off your vehicle.
All right. And then moving up to the Dress Up. I know this is one of your most popular products. What does that do?
Yeah, so Dress Up is going to add UV protection in the interior, a satin finish, and very easy to apply on the inside of the vehicle. It's our second most popular product.
And the Blackout. You told me this is your most popular product, and I can see why. We've used it here on the Camaro. We used it on the back tire there on the Corvette. You can see the difference from one side to the other there on the Corvette. We did half and half.
Absolutely, yes. Blackout is our top seller for sure. What's unique about this is it is a water-based dressing, also called a tire shine, but it is, once it dries on there, it gives you a like new appearance. Not a glossy, syrupy look on there, just a nice, like you were buying a fresh new pair of tires, and it gives you that appearance on there. It's also protects from UV as well, doesn't sling, that's a big thing. You get tires that once you apply a dressing on there, it slings all over your car. You're not gonna get that with this. And it protects for 3 to 4 weeks.
And you can tell just by feeling it that is not super slippery or greasy or anything like that.
Right.
You can find all these products and the tools to apply them at DetailStudioProducts.com because your car deserves better, and you, as the user, deserve better as well. And you deserve a 10% discount too. Just enter promo code MOTOR10 for that 10% discount. We'll be right back with more Motorhead Garage presented by DragonfireTools.com, so keep it locked here.